welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how I obtain this cute hairstyle using rice water. Baby, it's the shine for me. I absolutely love the way my hair feels. All the products that I use, I will link it down below in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And if you liked and enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it.
I'm firstly going to start off by separating my hair into 4 sections. Thereafter, I will start applying the rice water to my hair. You want to make sure that your hair is completely drenched in the rice water, and thereafter massage your scalp for about 5 minutes. Once you're done applying the rice water to your hair and massaging your scalp, leave that on your hair for about 30 minutes to an hour. This is how I made the rice water. I took 1 cup of rice. You could use any rice of your liking. Then I rinsed it. Thereafter, I added 1 cup of water to the rice, and then I let it stand for about 24 hours. Other people leave their rice water to ferment for about 5 days. I guess it's whatever works for you. I just allow it to stand for 1 day. And then once it's done fermenting, I throw my water into a spray bottle. And just a heads up, that stuff stinks. So I added some Moroccan argan oil to it, and that made it smell so much better. You could also add some lavender drops if you have lavender. I saw other people add some orange peels to it just so that it could have a better smell.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, what you do, that's bottom line. Spend my life with you, I won't please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a
I washed my hair with this Organics 2-in-1 shampoo 3 times.
I'm now going to apply some Pound Straight blow drying lotion to my hair, and thereafter I will blow dry it with a platinum airbrush. This is not the first time that I am using rice water on my hair. I started using rice water about 3 years back, and this made my hair grow along with other stuff that I did, but this really helped my hair grow in. I like to apply rice water to my hair when it feels like brutal and so dry. That's when I use it, and it makes my hair feel so soft and moisturized.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Bum cheese, beach views, and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because it's your way. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We don't really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
I am currently 4 months post relaxed. My hair is super thick, and I'm so lazy to relax my hair, but I just have to do it because it's getting to the point now where I can't handle my hair anymore. But I absolutely love the new growth.
There's a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, feeling every day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
now going to be flat ironing my hair. I will be using the Babyliss Diamond Ceramic. I will be doing the chasing method, and I will do smaller sections and do slower passes.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is the visions of we play. Staring next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We don't really wanna run, just wanna get away. Staring next to you.
And here's the final look, guys. It's the shine for me, sis. I mean, my hair feels so soft and so silky and so healthy. The rice water did the things to be done, honey. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So